Hey everyone, today I have here the Varla Pegasus scooter. Dual motor 500 watts each, 48 volt, with a 28 mile per hour top speed. It does have this brake light that flashes. If you hold down the minus button, you can toggle dual motor versus single motor. And now let's see how fast it goes. "30 miles per hour in dual motor. "18 miles per hour in dual motor, but number 2. And then on number 1, 12 miles per hour. So if we hold this back down, we get pretty much the same speeds, but in single motor. If you hold M for a few seconds, it turns off. It does fold down. The mechanism is right here. Pull up, this goes down, and then back here you get this one little keyring. So just like that, and you're able to lift this. It is a very heavy scooter compared to that Xiaomi over there. So you fold this up, fold this in, make sure that locks into place. Okay, whoa. When comparing this to the Segway P100S, the P100S feels quicker. Okay, 10. So I was able to get 10 miles per hour in first gear, about 16 in second gear. The dual suspension does feel nice, but I do hear it creaking a bit here and there. Getting all the way up to 30 miles per hour, it does feel nice, but the P100S felt a lot more solid and planted. My gosh, that is trippy. And the reason why I say that is because compared to the P100S and the bigger Varla, this is a bit more sketchy. Whew! My thighs have gotten a really good workout from this. Oh my goodness. With a 500 watt motor, it feels sluggish in single motor mode, but in dual motor mode it pulls fine. Between this Varla and the P100S, I'll get the P100S, but between this Varla and the 2400 watt Varla, I'm getting the 2400 watt. Thanks for watching.